Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. In this video, we will see how to install spurtcommerce API on Windows 10. Here are the steps which we will follow throughout our video. Let's start. Okay, here we should have a script file. Yeah, over there. We need to first install MySQL database. So I have just downloaded MySQL database. So let's move to this folder. Okay, here is the MySQL database, but I have just downloaded. So move to this folder, go to this pin folder. Over here, we will have a file like MySQL D. MySQL. Yeah, here is MySQL D. We will execute this file to run MySQL server locally. Another terminal for MySQL. We have run MySQL server locally. To test the connection, we will open another terminal over here. Connect MySQL with root users. So here we go. Now we need to run this on one of our database. So to create our database, actually I don't need to create another database right now because I have just created the database for this e-commerce application, that is Spurt. So to run this whole script on this database, I am using a third-party IDE which is called dbeavers. Actually, I have already done this step. All my tables populated here. Here we go. Here is some test data available. Now we will run this command. This process will take some time. Oh, lot of errors. Still scrolling. I think most of these errors coming from node modules. So I just googled and found that we can use an option like we can use an option. Okay, before doing this, okay, first we will see what is actually, I think all of them from load modules and all related to types. Okay, first we see what are the scripts actually running during this transpile process. So let's move to package.json. Okay, I run actually this command npm install build. So internally it is executing npm installed, and inside npm installed we have nps. Okay, nps nps is a npm package which is used to keep all our script in a separate file. So over here we have another file, package scripts.js, which is related to this nps. So further details we will find in this file. Okay, let's go to this file. Over here, yeah, we have a transpile over here. Actually, what we have run, we have run npm start build. We should find over here a build script. Okay, inside this build we are running these scripts. So problem is in npm transpile. Let's see what is inside npm transpile. This is the script which is actually having some problem. We need to figure it out how to resolve this problem. So I just googled and found that if we use this flag in tsconfig.build.json file, let me show you this file first. I have added this line, skip lib check its value true, but it is not working. I am still getting same errors. So I need to figure it out how to resolve this issue first. Then I will continue the video. I found in Stack Overflow that this skip lib check it's working in 3.7.3 TypeScript version. So let's see what is the version, what is the type version for this Spurt e-commerce right now. Yeah, we have 3.0.3 version. Okay, let's upgrade to 3.7.3. And now try to run transpile. I still have some error, but most of them has gone. These are not from node modules, so it's probably inside in our code. So we need to see what's the reason of this error. I think all of the problems related to the seed. First of all, we need to see the version of this package. Yeah, we have just installed beta version of this package. Okay, let me install its latest version first. I replace the seed with seeder and implements our class with seeder. We have to replace this seed method with run, and still we have error. We have to replace return type with promise void. Okay, I will do same changes in other file as well. These functions require promise void to be written, so I think we don't need to return anything from here because it is void. So we just remove this return statement and await statement. It is not required because Same with other files. I ran the transpile command again, and this time I didn't get any error. So that's great. So now move to the next step. Okay, let's execute this command. We're still not able to run our API. We have some authentication error. It's saying that we need to upgrade our MySQL client. Okay, let me figure out this issue. Okay, I found in an Stack Overflow post that we should run this command on MySQL. Let's try to run same command again. That error has been gone, but we have another error. Actually, currently we don't have any password for the user root, so we need to define a password first. Here we will run this command. This will set our password as root, as we have defined new password for our root user. So let's update this configurations. We ran the script up to transpile. We didn't run a script for generate API doc and other stuff as well. So we are running this build command again. Okay, build command has run successfully. Great. Finally, we have run our API server. Okay, now let's see API documentation. So now we have completed our first milestone, that is to set up our Spurt API. Later we will see how to set up store and other stuff as well. Thank you viewers for watching this video.